Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick GUIC shapes tips like this. Today I'll show you how to insert a line break inside a cell in Google Sheets so your text looks neat and organized without stretching columns. First, open Google Sheets and sign in to your Google account. Then open the spreadsheet you want to edit. Find the cell where you want the line break and double click it to enter edit mode. Place your cursor exactly where you want the text to split into a new line. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus Enter. If you're on Mac, press Command plus Return. That's it, you'll see the text neatly separated into multiple lines inside the same cell. Perfect for clean, easy to read formatting. If you found this tip helpful, like this video, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets guides.